Wiley Style, the YouTube channel that brings you the videos you want to see without all the interruptions and pausing and commentary. We like to save that for the comments section. Today's video is sponsored by IncarceratedBeauties.com, the #1 dating site introducing you to the most beautiful women in prison that you want to meet. Being single doesn't have to be a life sentence. Find your soulmate today on Incarcerated Beauties. Follow them on Instagram. Now let's get into this video. Don't forget to subscribe.
This is 34th Street, Penn Station. Transfer is available to the M34 Select Bus Service.
Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad, New Jersey Transit, and Amtrak. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
This is a Brooklyn-bound C local train. The next